Hi friends, this video shows how to upgrade Android TV OS version from version 10 to 12. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First you go to settings. Select the settings icon from top right corner. Go to device preferences. Select about. Under about, here we can see version. Right now I am using Android TV OS version 10. I am going to upgrade this to 12. Go to system update. Select it. Now it's checking for update. Please wait. Okay, done. It shows new update available. Version of new update is 12.1.1. Size of the update is 762 MB. On right side you can see one download button. Select that button. That way we can download and install this update into this TV. If you are not able to see this update in your TV, that means company is not released this update for your TV model. Hence you have to wait. You have to keep checking this. Once this is available, then you would be able to download and install into your device. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.